So today we'll be talking about surds. We'll be giving examples, we'll be giving definitions and basic rules in surds. Okay, so surds are uh, square root values that cannot be further simplified. You can't get whole numbers from them, unlike square roots where you have whole numbered values. For surds, you have decimal numbers, and their simplified form is actually a square root form. So I have examples here. If you look at it carefully, in 54 and in 90, they cannot be further simplified from the examples I gave. Then they have 5 basic rules for surds. You have the multiplication rule, the division rule, you have the rationalization rule where you play around with the denominator being the surd value. You have the factorization rule, you bring out like terms, and you have the second rationalization rule. So for further questions, please contact me on these handles, my Facebook, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, and WhatsApp. And I'll be looking forward to your questioning. Thank you so much for listening.